This is a 2011 South Bay that we have for wholesale here at MarineMax Nisswa. These cushions in the front here wrap around, so you've got an L-shaped couch at the bow with a corner entrance off the dock, which is pretty convenient when you're pulling up to the dock. On the captain's side, you can kind of get on and off this way instead of trying to dock on that side, but there is a door on the port side as well. You've got a trash receptacle that tips out here. You can also access it by flipping the seat up, so you don't have to ask anybody to get out of their seat to throw away your garbage. There's an in-floor storage locker here to keep your rod covers for your cover or your boat cover or some skis or anything in there. Clarion audio system with a subwoofer. There's a nice sink here at the helm and some storage. This is where your head unit is for your stereo. You've got a remote here, Humminbird 385 GPS and fish finder. There's 1,028 hours on the motor. The motor is non-functional right now, so you could have that rebuilt somewhere or repowered. The boat is in great condition. It's got carpet flooring that's nice condition, no tears or mold or anything like that in here. Nice spacious helm here for the captain. This table is removable. You've got another L-shaped couch right here, and then back here you have some handles to lift up the changing booth, and that just flips up like this, and you can put a porta potty down here, plenty of room for that, or use it as a changing booth or just some shade to get out of the sun. So we've got this for sale at MarineMax in Nisswa. Come check it out. It is a wholesale boat, so we're selling it as is. You cannot take this out on the water today. You would need to repower it or fix the motor, but we look forward to seeing you soon.